Okay, hi guys, Damon Towel here again. I'm gonna share with you today some ways that I've sharpened my planer blade or knives, however you want to call it. Blade, knives, it's okay. They cut. Um, One of the things I've tried is this. I think it's called Risky Sharp by I don't remember who did it on YouTube, but I tried it and it worked. The way it works is this little bearings right here would run upon a piece of glass with sandpaper, and these little pieces of metal holds the blade together to the wood, and the sandpaper you pull this thing back and forth, and it runs like that. I don't know. Maybe you can see it. It runs like that. I'm tilting it right now so that my blade don't hit the tabletop. But you get the idea. The only problem I had was I couldn't get a piece of sandpaper as wide as my blade because the blade is 16 inches. But it worked. It worked well. Um, the other thing I tried was this, where you put the knives in, and it gives you a 45-degree angle. You do kind of like the same thing. Put a piece of glass down, and you slide it back and forth upon the glass, just like that. Now I used my belt sander to do this. Well, not my belt sander. It's a 9-inch disc slash belt sander, and I would put it on it and have it run and just get the blade sharp. Now that also worked pretty good. Um, Now my latest is this one, using the same jig, but I did some modification on it, like cutting it here, and I use it on my table saw to sharpen it. What I did to actually get it to work on the table saw is I made this disc. The way I made it was with an old blade. So I cut off the teeth off of it, and then with a little 4-inch grinder, I put it on I install it in the saw, have it run, and while it runs, the grinder is also running, and it true up the circle and make it into a perfectly round circle. And I glued some sandpaper on it. This side I have 100 just in case I have some nicks in the blade, and this side I have 180. So this is how it works. Instead of putting the angle of the blade this way, instead of setting the angle this way, flip it around, and the 45 is set down towards the table, so then you have a 90 from the table up. But because there's an angle right here, it gives me the 45 degree. Now, so you might be able to see how it works. You just want the blade to barely touch the disc. On this side of the fence I put a clamp, and that is holding the fence so it don't push to the side. That way your blade will come out straight. Now let's give it a run. You can adjust it if needs be. So let me adjust this a little bit. There. Nice, sharp blades. Just I don't know how you say it. Just smooth off the little burr that comes up on the blade, and you'll be good for planing. Okay? Okay, that's it. See you in the next one.